Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out part 5 of the Watch Her Cut Her Long Hair Off. Stylist gets right to work cutting off her ponytails. Looks like she got a bob with some color. Very nice. Next up, we see another beautiful bob with the center part down the middle. Nice tassel texture here. And it looks like she did end up getting a color refresh with that style as well. So moving into the next one, she has a pixie and bam, she spices it up with a shorter pixie variation featuring an undercut. Nice little color change there as well. And then we have someone with a bob. Oh, looks like she might be doing a buzz cut here for this one. Getting some color work. Wow, total switch up with this buzz cut. And then we move into another big chop, so she looks like she is going quite short as well. Super short pixie style here for this one. Well, what I like about this style is definitely the low maintenance vibe that this has. Like, you really wouldn't have to do much with your hair. So next up, the stylist. Whoa, okay, yes, let's watch that again. Short and blonde makeover. Wow, so here we have someone with very long hair. Looks like she's donating the hair. And then we see someone else with these two long ponytails. Oh, she got layered hairstyle. Okay. Hair holds memories. Wow, she just chopped that braid right off. Wow. Very cute bob style she ended up getting there. And then we have another bob. Beautiful blunt cut with the center parts. Followed by another bob. Very nice tousled waves being added to the hair. Next up, we have the stylist chopping off the hair into a bob. She goes shorter. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful tousled bob with the center part down the middle. And then we have someone, it looks like she ends up getting the hair chopped off into a tapered cut style and dyed this bold blue color. Wow. A lot of drama behind this transformation. She looks really cute with the blue hair though. And blue is not a color that I think would work for everyone, but she can definitely pull it off. Just gorgeous. So let me know in the comments below, would you ever be brave enough to rock out some blue hair? And then here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's getting some color here. Oh, she got a nice little layered style. Oh, very cute. Definitely a nice classic hair change. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.